Now, a trial court in Kerala has dismissed the state government's appeal to withdraw prosecution proceedings against actor Mohanlal. Now, this is with respect to the wildlife crime case against him, where it is alleged that he was in illegal possession of 2 pairs of ivory. The order came after hearing detailed arguments on petitions filed by a native of Illore as well as James Mathew, who is a former forest officer, against, now these pleas have been against allowing Mohanlal to possess ivory. Now that is of course what we are getting to know from in this case against Mohanlal. Now this is with respect to allegations that he was in illegal possession of ivory. So here Vivek joins us live on the broadcast. Vivek, this certainly is a big, blow to the mega star Mohanlal. What now that these things have been quashed, what is the next line? What can we expect next?
See, as of now, we haven't heard anything from actor Mohanlal or his close associates as far as this case is concerned. But this is indeed a setback for the actor. Remember, for the last 11 years, that the various governments which is ruling Kerala, that's the left and the Congress front, has been basically been supporting him mainly because he himself has requested to the government to basically ensure that he is being kept out of this case. Remember, the forest officials had seized 2 tusks and a mirror stand with 2 tusks fixed on both sides of the mirror from his house in 2011, and it is according to the Forest Act, the Wildlife Act 1972, that the charges have been made against him. There are, Mohanlal can attract the offences charged against him can attract imprisonment for a term not less than 3 years. But this time around, he has to face the trial in the wildlife crime case booked against him for the illegal possession. Now, mainly because as the trial court in Perumbavoor has dismissed the state government's plea to withdraw the prosecution proceedings against him. Now, 2 wildlife activists, namely Paulos and James Mathew, has challenged the withdrawal plea by the state government. Remember, last year, 2020, there was a non-objection certificate to withdrawing the wildlife claim case registered against Mohanlal in this case, and hence, the Kerala High Court has indeed given him, a kind of a temporary relief. Now, that is exactly being questioned by these 2 activists, and that's the reason why the Perumbavoor First Class Magistrate Court has decided to go, ask the prosecution to go ahead. We still have no idea, in which way is Mohanlal planning to move. But in all likelihood that he could move legally as far as this case is concerned. Now, it needs to be seen what stand the government will take in this issue, because now that the court itself has intervened in this case, it needs to be seen as which way the government and especially the wildlife department will take the stand.
Absolutely. Vivek, thank you so much for joining us with those details.